Good evening, everyone. Happy Monday. This is Courtney back with another video. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because I am going to be rolling out some awesome content to teach you how to make money online so that you can go from 0 to 4 figures a month. Okay, so tonight we're going to talk about ClickFunnels. I don't know if you've seen my previous videos. This one's special. I'm going to dive into what ClickFunnels is, why you need to use it, and what the benefits are for you. Okay, so what is ClickFunnels? Okay, ClickFunnels is a marketing software. It's a landing page software. So instead of just driving your traffic to the offer, straight to the offer, you drive them to the landing page. They then put in their email, and then you take them to the sales video or the upsell or the offer you have to market. Why is this the best way to do this? Okay, because you're capturing an email. Why is it important to capture emails? So that you can remarket to those people. When you capture that email, you're going to want to send out a email series because people need to communicate with you, okay? So what I've done here is ClickFunnels is for digital products. So you're going to sign up for ClickFunnels with the link below. Starts a 14-day free trial, okay? Now, I would recommend also signing up for an email automation software. If you sign up with Constant Contact, they give you 60 days free. Or you can, that way you can try ClickFunnels for 14 days for free. It's drag and drop. You won't have to screw it up. And there's always chat support if you do, or you think you do. They have videos to cover everything on how to set this up. So generally, if you're a marketer, okay, ClickFunnels is the software for you. Why? Because it's a landing page software. It's more condensed than a website. Now, I know $97 a month is a big chunk of change, but if you think about that, if you divide $97 by however many months are in however many days are in a month, that's how much you're paying per day. So it's really worth it. You're going to take this software, combine it with your email automation software, okay? You're going to use this to promote your products, okay? Now, you can promote your product, the products that you want to promote, and when you sign up with ClickFunnels, you're also an affiliate. An affiliate, if you're not aware, is somebody that refers people to products and services, just like I'm doing now. So you can market them the funnel challenge, the traffic secrets book, which is free, the one funnel away challenge, which is $100. But right now we're just talking about ClickFunnels and why you should sign up. Now, I'm going to tell you that when you click the link in the description, you sign up for your free 14-day trial. I do have a group for all of my team that signs up under me so that I can help you, so that you can message me, so that you'll have some form of guidance to use ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you want to know how to take your business to the next level, okay? ClickFunnels is definitely the way to go. It's going to help you collect leads. It's going to help you make sales. Russell Brunson created it. If you're not sure who that is, he wanted everything non-technical because he didn't want to know how to code or write code or do anything difficult with websites. He wanted to be able to change his landing page at the flick of a wrist, basically. So it's all drag and drop, and you can do it so fast. They have everything. You can connect your automation software, you can collect emails, you can collect leads, you can sell products. Now, the cool thing with ClickFunnels is you need, if you're going to do this correctly, because see, on Facebook, you cannot run an ad directly to your offer on Facebook Marketplace, or not Marketplace, a Facebook ad, because it's against their terms of service. But what you can do is use ClickFunnels as a bridge, okay? So, because you're sending them to a landing page, or you can use a website. But we're talking about ClickFunnels for this. So you send them to your website, you collect their email, say they don't sign up, you just remarket to them. But the way to get signups for ClickFunnels is you need to be able to talk to people and show people that you're a real person, okay? You're not just wanting their money, or you don't want them to just sign up, because in essence, everybody that signs up on your team, you make 40% commission, okay? And that's great. That's great. But as a team, you need to be able to work together. So the 14-day free trial will be in the description link. You'll click on that. You'll sign up for your 14-day free trial. And if you have Facebook, I can add you to the Facebook group. That way, if you have any ClickFunnels questions, or you need help with your landing pages, or getting set up with automation software for your emails, or how to run a Facebook ad, I can help you with all of that, okay? If I don't know the answer, I will help you find the answer. And that's what being a team with ClickFunnels is all about. I don't want this to just be a numbers game. I want to be able to support you and to help you go from 0 to 4 figures as well with me along this journey. As you see here, I'm at 0. I don't have any people on my team. I did have somebody sign up, but they did not make a purchase, okay? So you're going to click the link down in the description below for the 14-day free trial. And either you can join the Facebook group. If you do not have Facebook, comment below, okay? Comment below so I can verify that you've joined under me, and then I will add you to our Facebook group so that you can get help and take this business from 0 to 4 figures of full-time income. This is called affiliate marketing. So while you're working your business and selling your products, maybe you're into drop shipping, maybe you're into Amazon, okay? Maybe you're into just using this for other digital products, okay? You can use ClickFunnels and succeed, but what I want to tell you is ClickFunnels is a digital product, okay? It's great. It's a shorter version of a condensed version of a website. You collect emails, you collect leads, and they put it as a condensed version so that your leads don't get confused, which is amazing. So I just wanted to bring that out to you guys. If you're interested in joining the Facebook group, please comment below. Let me know you joined the free 14-day trial. Once you start playing around with it and using it, you won't stop. The $97 a month will be worth it. We'll work together. We'll get you going from 0 to 4 figures if that's what you want to do, or if you just want to make your first sale on your own products. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody tuning in that watches this video. Thank you for all the comments. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you do decide to join my ClickFunnels team and get into the Facebook group to get one-on-one help and to be able to interact with people and to build your business. ClickFunnels has a great support team, but it's great when you have one-on-one attention, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to go, but it was an amazing time teaching you guys what ClickFunnels was, how it can help you. Make sure you click the link down in the description. Join my team. Let me help you. Let's rock this ClickFunnels thing. We got this. We can do it. Till the next video, guys. Have a great night.